Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura Lee. If you're lazy by choice, or you may have a sickness, an injury, or you're suffering with depression, you could use some help around the house. And today I have some great lazy tips for you. I scoured the internet and found countless lazy tips, but I wasn't too impressed. I mean, things like making a list are helpful, but if you're truly lazy or depressed, you don't want to make a list, much less follow it. So today I'm going to show you some truly set it and forget it, clean your house lazy tips to help you with your housekeeping chores. Lazy girl tip number one, always clean your whites or anything with bleach in your washing machine at night. That way, if you put it off the next day or you forget about it for a day, 2, or maybe even 3 days, it's not going to get smelly. The bleach in there keeps everything from smelling bad. Lazy girl cleaning tip number 2 is if you don't like scrubbing your pots and pans and burnt on dishes, and who really does like doing that? Put them in the sink, run some hot water, and drop in one of your dish tabs. I did a great video, I'll post a link up here somewhere, about how you can test to make sure your dish tabs are good or bad. And if you do find out you have some bad, stale dish tabs that aren't doing the job, you can still use them for this purpose to soak things overnight. That way you can just rinse the dish, pour out the water, put it in your dishwasher, no pre-scrubbing involved. My number 3 lazy girl cleaning tip is, you know that gross area behind faucets in the kitchen or in the bathtub or on the bathroom sink that gets like that pink or brown slime behind the faucet area? You know what I'm talking about. Don't stick your fingers back there. You don't have to clean it. Grab yourself a bottle of peroxide and squirt some behind there. It bubbles everything out and kills the germs, and then you just have to quickly wipe it. You don't have to get back there. Lazy, I love it. Lazy girl cleaning tip number 4. If your microwave doesn't look so great or smell so great, grab one of your glass Pyrex measuring cups and pour it about halfway full with distilled white vinegar. There's no reason to dilute that with water. Set it in there in your microwave, close the door, set it on 1 minute, let it run, and then just leave it in there. And if you forget about it, that's great, that's even longer. Next time you happen to open the microwave, everything will be melted down. Wipe it off real quick, no scrubbing. Easy, fast, and lazy. I love that tip, one of my favorites. Another little lazy girl bonus tip is to get a splash guard for the microwave. It's a little lid that you put on top of things. Sure, you have to clean that, but it's a lot easier than cleaning the microwave. You can just throw it in the dishwasher. If you look up at your shower head and you see like a white powdery scale on there and it's grossing you out, you don't have to go and scrub that off. As a matter of fact, just don't do that. It doesn't come off easily. Instead, use our friend white distilled vinegar. Pour it in a baggie, put it around the shower head, and then put a rubber band around that. Let it soak overnight. When you take it off, next time you take a shower, that white scale will come off. You don't have to dust or vacuum a lampshade. Just take a lint roller, go over it real fast. Same thing for your couch. If you have company coming over and you have cat hair or dog hair on your couch and you just want to do a quick cleanup, no reason to pull out the vacuum. Just take your lint roller and go over it. You may have to use a few sheets, but it's so much faster than vacuuming, and then you can just toss out the hairy lint roller papers. If you notice your walls are getting linty and dusty, and who wants to spend time using soap and water and vinegar, a good tip, a good lazy tip, is to take your Swiffer duster and put one of the Swiffer heads on there, go over your walls real fast, toss that out, and they're done. If you have dogs or cats, inevitably their hair is going to get all over the clothes. Don't throw them straight into the wash. You'll have a bunch of wadded up pet hair in the bottom and it can clog your drains. Instead, throw them in the dryer first on the cool setting, don't turn on heat, and just toss them in there, and the lint filter will catch all that hair. You can just toss that out, then wash your clothes. Fast, easy, lazy, and efficient. Who likes to spend an hour and a half cleaning their mini blinds or the blinds on the windows? Nobody, right? Take rubber bands and attach microfiber cloths to your tongs. then just open them up, close them over the blind, slide down, go across them. You'll be done in 10 minutes flat. So lazy, but so much cleaner. Here's a lazy girl hack for all of you creative girls out there. If you're doing a painting project, take some of the wide width aluminum foil and put that over your paint tray or your palette before you pour the paint in. Then when you're done and you remove the excess paint, you can just pull that out, throw it away. You don't have to wash your paint or palette. I use that one all the time and it works fantastic. I don't have to scrub the trays anymore. So much easier. Before you put your vacuum cleaner attachment under the couch, slide some pantyhose or support stockings or something on top. Put a rubber band around that before you vacuum. That way anything that's stuck under your couch will get stuck onto the pantyhose and you can just pull that off and keep on vacuuming. That way you don't have to slide the couch out to look before you start vacuuming. If you do have kids or you're just a crafty gal and you use glitter and there's a spill, and who doesn't love glitter all over their house? I've actually banned it for Christmas other than outdoors. Sometimes I backslide on that. But an easy hack is to take some Play-Doh or silly putty and just pat that down on the glitter. It gets it up in a heartbeat, and then your kids have sparkly Play-Doh. How fun is that? Hate washing your blender after your morning smoothies? Well, here's a great tip. Just put a few drops of liquid dish detergent in there. It doesn't take much at all. Fill it halfway full with water, put the lid on, pulse it a few times, and guess what? It's clean. All you have to do is rinse it. No reason to even run it through the dishwasher or to get in there with your hands or disassemble it every morning. As you know, I have ducks. I love my ducks, but they love to play on the back patio when it rains and they love to poop on it. Whether or not you have ducks, get yourself a floor squeegee, and when it rains, squeegee off that patio real fast. That will save you from scrubbing or treating it with Clorox for algae and all those other gross things that build up on patios over time. I personally don't do a lot of the cooking in my household. My husband is the master chef and I am the groundskeeper. But if you are the cook of the house, use one-pot meals. You're only dirtying up one pot. And then after dinner's done, you just have one dirty dish. You can drop the dish tab in there and soak it overnight. Next morning, put it in the dishwasher. The ultimate lazy meal hack. My final lazy girl cleaning hack is one that I have shared with my elderly parents, and they have fallen in love with the thought. It takes a little getting used to and a little investment up front, but a robot vacuum. I know they've been out there a while now, but I can't tell you how much time they save and how much easier it is to take control of pet hair. Run that thing every day. Just press a button, or some of them even have a timer. Floors are done while you can do something else. Maybe lay in the hammock and drink some iced tea. I don't know. In any case, I hope that these real life lazy girl cleaning hacks help you and your family get things done around the house when you don't feel up to it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. God bless. If you like these lazy cleaning hacks, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell. That way I can let you know as soon as I release a new video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Laura Lee. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Loki. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura Lee.